Hi, welcome to our channel Yumm. Today we're gonna prepare pancakes. I love this recipe because it's really easy and really fast to make, and the ingredients are really easy to buy in any marketplace. Enjoy! Okay, so for preparing 8 pancakes, we're gonna need 3/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of pancake flour, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 egg, and 1 bowl to mix it all. Remember that the mixture has to be uniform. It doesn't have to have like the flour balls. It really has to be uniform so the pancakes can be fluffy. Like this. After we finish up mixing all the ingredients, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We wait for this side to be almost full covered with these bubbles and we turn it around. When you finish your pancake, you can add the topping you want to. For example, I added strawberries and maple syrup and your favorite beverage. Enjoy!